guys, Lee Scratcher coming to you again with another money explosion. Top prize is $1 million, as well as the new Raven X5. $5 scratch off top prize is $100,000. That's a good prize amount for Maryland, I must say. I was quite shocked when I saw that amount. Now, let's see. Hopefully we can get some winners today. So let's just dive right on in. Okay, right here we are looking for a cup. A cup. Make this a little bit bigger. I love the colors of this ticket. It is so pretty. Yeah, it doesn't look like a cup to me. Yeah, it looks like a 4-leaf clover. Okay. And it's a number game, so we're matching numbers here with numbers here. All right, 34 is the first one. 32. 26. And number 6. We're also looking for a football, automatically win the prize shown, or if we uncover a 5X, win 5 times the prize shown. So let's see. $36. This ticket's a little hard to scratch. Number 2. Number 7. 31. 18. 16. 27. 28. 29. Why do they do that? 13, lucky 13, bring us some luck. Number 8, and we're looking for 6. 25. 20. Number 11. And number 14. So, not a winner. Not a winner at all. All right, so let's see if we can find a trophy up here. Nope, that's a star. Lucky number 7, bring us some luck. Bring us some luck. Oh, right next to traded 22. 32. And 31. Scratching this daggone ticket is like chopping down the tree. 21. Look for 22. 28. 15. 11. Number 33. I'm up here sweating. 26. 27. 29. 17. Number 6. You know what? I have not won on this ticket yet, come to think about it. 23. We're looking for 22. Number 3. Come on, ticket. 14. 13. And last, 24. No, I don't think I won on this ticket one time. Come to think about it. All right, now, money explosion. All right, let's see if we can get a bonus here by matching the numbers. 25 and 20. Oh, so close, but so far away. Let's see if we can match this number with the numbers down here. Let me look at something, excuse me. Okay. 44. I'll tell you, Maryland loves this number 20, number 7. 27's right beside it. Come on, bring us some luck. And number 2. 46. 36, number 3, number 40, number 52, 17, 43, 58, 13, 37, 16, number 1, number 21, all right, come on, 54, 48, 41, went off for 42, number 6, 29, number 60, number 59. Have I seen 14? Still looking for that one. Nope. Move up a little bit. A little smaller. Here we are. We're still looking for number 14 as well. 39. Nope. Number 4. It's not looking good, folks. It's not looking good. 55. Number 51. Number 34. Number 45. Number 28. Wow. Number 49. And last one is womp, womp, womp. Oh, there was not one winner in the bunch. But you know what? To become a winner, you scratch a whole lot of losers. Trust and believe, people. Trust and believe. So until next time, folks, please have fun scratching. Hit that subscribe button, that like button, and that notification button. And you have yourself a wonderful, wonderful day.